Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2024. It is pie season, my friends, and today I'm going to share with all of y'all an old Southern classic, chess pie. And if y'all not familiar with chess pie, it's a custard base. It has melted butter, sugar, eggs, and cornmeal. It's the bomb.com delicious. And as always, my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and the perfect dessert to have for your Thanksgiving dinner. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Sweet Potato Cornbread. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your cornmeal, and get your eggs beaten up sugar, because we're about to bake some chess pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is pre-bake our pie crust. Over here, I have a 9-inch pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. Or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen deep dish thawed pie crust. And if using homemade or refrigerated, make sure you grease your pie plate with butter or cooking spray. I already pricked my pie crust, but I want to show y'all how to do it. So we're going to take a fork and just prick it on the bottom and the sides. And over here in my cup, I have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And we're just going to brush it all over the crust. Now we're going to place our pie crust in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. This is also the same temperature we're going to bake the pie on. We're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes until it's lightly golden brown. Alright, my friends, I have taken my pie crust out of the oven. See how lightly golden brown it is? That's what you're looking for. So now we're going to let it cool completely. And while it's cooling, let's make our luscious custard filling. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. And we're going to beat this until it's well incorporated using my hand mixer, or you can use a fork. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract. Next, we're going to add in 1½ cups of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, 1/3 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk, 1 tablespoon of yellow cornmeal, and 1/8 teaspoon, which is a pinch of ground nutmeg. And we're going to mix these together until they're well combined on medium speed. And last but not least, we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And mix it in. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our custard is complete. And how simple and easy was that? I can smell the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. Now we are ready to pour it into our cooled pie crust. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put this pie in the oven. Again, my oven's preheated to 350 degrees, the same temperature we baked the crust. We're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, look at this beautiful chess pie. I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. And the filling is nice and golden brown. Work your magic, boo. All right, so now I'm going to let it cool completely because there's one more thing I got to add to it after it cools. All right, my friends, the pie is nice and cool. And as I told y'all earlier, there's one more thing I got to add to it. You can serve it like it is, but I like to add just a little dusting of powdered sugar right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Old school Southern chess pie. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I've cut me up a beautiful Southern slice and I'm serving mine with some homemade whipped cream. I'll post the link to that recipe down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The crust is perfectly cooked and the filling is creamy, decadent, and the flavors are perfectly layered. This chess pie is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm going to grab me a little whipped cream. Yum-o. Chess pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.